Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Trade Confident. Hope you guys got some good rest in this weekend. Let's dive into the charts this week. Let's see how we can make our account grow even bigger than from where it's at. 150,000 is our break even. We're sitting at about 123,000 right now. So we're doing actually really good in this bear market. We've been trading all the way through this. A lot of accounts are still down around 50 to 60%. You guys can look at your own accounts, but we're still doing great. All right, guys. Let's just dive on in. We're currently sitting at 110 wins and 0 losses. We've actually never lost a trade trading crypto. I'll show you guys how to trade with us so you guys can trade. Last trade we took was a 7.21% profit on 50% of our trade, and then we took another 2.83. And guys, funny enough, Avalanche is actually going to most likely be our next winning trade. I'll show that to you guys really quick here because I want to just make sure you guys see this. We did hit our second buy limit March 6th, which was yesterday, and we are very close to our break-even entry here, getting back in the profit. So watch for that to be our next win. But you guys clicked on this thumbnail because you saw the Ethereum. So let's go over Ethereum. Okay, what am I looking at? Over on Friday, we ended up seeing this area where we saw a 1, 2, 3 touch on an ascending support line. I talked to you guys in the Bitcoin video about what's called a long squeeze. Okay, it's where a lot of traders look for that third touch and they're looking for the move back up. But a lot of times when the price does not move up and it moves down, it hits stop losses on long trades, squeezing long trades out of profit. And it actually forces long traders to turn over and go short along with short traders. And that's what happened here, guys. There was not a jump whatsoever and the market kept heading down. And that's why I think we've been heading down so strongly here over the weekend, is because we ended up getting that long squeeze. Now, I still believe the market is going to head back up here to the top section here before we move back down. So if we had to call 2 moves here, I do think that there's a higher chance of us moving up here for Ethereum to about I would say just a solid $3,000. $3,000 by the end of the week, I think, is a stronger move than $2,300. And I'll show you guys the metrics and the data to prove that here from what I'm seeing, okay? Price versus well money flow. You guys are seeing here that the well money flow, we saw a move up here, and that was nice. And we started pushing a little bit higher, and then we started seeing a move back down. Now that we're seeing the move back down, I'm looking for this move up, and we are seeing that happen over here. Trend exhaustion. You guys know this. When this is in the top red section here, you guys see the well money flow at least pushing up here. This is where we're looking for moves back down. That's exactly what we got. All of you short traders out there who are scalping with our indicators, great job. You guys already made your 3 to 4%. If you're watching the masterclass, let's come out exactly and pull this top here to the bottom. You had about 5.8%. So 3 to 4% is easily taken out of that if you guys were able to scalp that when the indicator alert went off. I'll show you guys where to access the alert. don't want to go over in this video because it takes a little bit of time, but you guys do actually get an alert with the trend exhaustion to set that up. Those of you guys who ended up shorting the market over here, you guys did very, very well. And obviously you guys were able to make a very decent amount of profit there. And for those of you guys who got into long trades down here, you guys are holding at the current moment, and you guys are probably actually at break even right now. If not, actually today or tomorrow, going to be pushing back up into the 3 to 4% profit with scalping our indicators. So those are in the description. Go ahead and snag those. All right, guys, let's go over to the Ethereum charts real quick, guys. How do you access all this stuff? Go to the membership. Here you guys go. $95 a month. Access all of the metrics that we have, as well as our Telegram channel, where I call out all the entries that I'm getting into, when I'm getting into those coins and what I'm getting into, as well as all the exits are called in the Telegram channel. The master classes are all available for you, as well as we are going to be going live on Zoom here in, literally 3 days, this Thursday, March 10th, from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're going to go live on Zoom, and we're going to talk together as a family, introduce myself, do kind of a little Q&A session, and then we're just going to move on and talk about the market. So it's going to be pretty fun. So make sure you guys join us if you would like. All right, let's go over the data today for Ethereum to give us a little bit more analysis of what we could see coming this week. The emotional index has been pushing down from excited back down into the, actually just touching barely into the anxious section here. So you guys know what I say. When the market's excited in here, you guys need to be looking for that move back down, okay? This move right here, these 2 little peaks are these moves over here, okay? When this got pushed up back up into here to the excited area, this is where I was expecting a lot of retail traders to push their money into the market, but Wells institutions to actually take their money and short the market. That's what they ended up doing. Now that we're starting to push back down here to the anxious section, I'm actually looking for institutions and Wells to start buying this back up because of the demand of a lower price, which I do believe will help push us back up here. Obviously, starting today, we're already seeing that, and pushing into later today and Thursday and Friday of this week, I do think we're going to start seeing this rebound in the market a little bit here. I'll give you guys a little bit more evidence. Let's take a look at this data, long for short trades. Short trades are currently moving out of the market for Bitfinex. while long trades are actually, they moved up and actually sustained themselves. This is very good. So this tells me that, people who bought into long trades here, they aren't necessarily selling out of their long trades because of the dip, if that makes sense to you guys. They're actually holding their long trades because I think their confidence is, this is just a temporary drop for a move back up eventually this week. I really do believe that's what they're thinking there. I think if they thought this was going to keep crashing, well, what would we see? Long trades would actually probably drop and short trades would increase, but that's not what we're seeing. Short trades stayed decreased and long trades stayed the same. This shows a strong sentiment in the market that I think people are looking for this turnaround this week back to the upside, okay? I've been seeing a lot of articles on Google coming out how Russia is actually, Russia, Ukraine, as terrible as what's going on there, there's a lot of talk of how they could actually help bolster up Bitcoin and we could see more market cap in Bitcoin. So that's something we want to be looking at. Speaking of market cap, let's look at the strength of Ethereum. We can see that the green line here is still following. Let me get in here a little bit deeper for you guys. It's still following price, but what we saw the last few days is market cap has actually increased in Ethereum while the price is actually taking a little bit of a dip. This is a bullish sign. This means people are literally pulling their money out of other altcoins and they're putting it into Ethereum. This is a strong sign and a bullish sign that people are confident that Ethereum is still a strong buy right now. There's other coins like ADA and Dogecoin that the market cap is completely tanking. I still believe in those coins, but I'm just showing you guys this is a stronger sign that a coin is doing better if you guys see market cap rising. Okay, market cap rising while price structure is going down is a sign that people are buying the dip. There's no two ways about that. That's exactly what it means. And not only are they buying, but they're actually moving money out of other investments, such as USDC and altcoins, and putting it into this particular coin when the green line goes up and the white line goes down. Okay, very powerful metric for you guys to watch. Trades in favor, we're pushing back down here into the good long trade. So guys, good long trades are setting up. I'll show you guys how to get into a trade here. Okay, well, in institutional smart money, guys, we saw last week that this was coming out looking for short trades, and if you guys recall this, I was like, guys, watch for this to push to the upside. Well, here we are, guys. Monday morning, March 7th, we see long trades pushed up to the upside for institutions, Wells, and smart money. And what do you guys see down here? This was updated yesterday. This morning, we are seeing that we're already seeing a move back up here, so watch for this to update. We're going to be able to see that, guys. So institutions and Wells looking to buy this. This is another reason why I do believe this week your guys' Ethereum positions will probably gain in value because of these metrics. Last time they did this, they ended up pushing the price back up. Previous time before that they went long, they ended up pushing the price back up. But what do you guys notice? Every time Wells, institutions, and smart money are buying, there's a precursor here. It's where we see huge drops. Do you understand that that's actually opposite of what most of you guys do as retail traders? Most retail traders like to buy when the market's going up because they love to trade with momentum, okay? Guys, that's not what smart money does. Smart money actually buys the fear and the anxiety of retail traders because, you can't actually buy billions of dollars worth unless there's billions of dollars worth of selling in the market. It's why it's called an exchange. So they will literally wait for fear and anxiety to settle into the market for retail traders, and then they will actually start buying up and move the price back up. It's opposite of what a lot of you guys do, but that's how we trade on this channel, and partly why we've never lost a trade. Let's take a look at this, guys. Resistance, 3284, support 2159. I think still we have a greater chance of moving back up here to this descending resistance line up here than we do the descending support, which would be down here. Even structure support, I actually think we have a stronger case here that we're going to be moving back up here than back down because of the institutional smart monies, while the other metrics, honestly, even the long versus short trades over here, long trades, like I said, are staying let's say they're staying elevated. It's probably a good way to say that, but short trades are moving out. So this is actually a bullish sign. Come down here, guys, 2 more metrics, and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup for Ethereum. All right, guys, all my hodlers out there, my diamond hand holders, you guys got a very good metric sign over here when this came out. I'm not sure the exact day of this, but if you guys are watching this every day, the metric updated 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You guys got in here a very good entry. You guys are currently in the profit, so great job. If we just keep moving up, you guys will be in the profit on all these positions. It's just a matter of time before you guys see the market go back up. I do not believe this market's going to go down and go to zero. I don't believe that. Crypto's too strong. The blockchain technology is too strong, guys. It's being implemented too fast. Okay. Exit points. Looking at this, guys, a great exit point up here. You guys can technically also use this if you want for scalping short trades. I know a lot of people in the US can't short trade, but if you guys are overseas, all my overseas clients, you guys are shorting, you guys can use this as a great metric to look to short if you'd like, if you watch the actual video, the masterclass of how to use the indicators to short, okay? Let's get you guys into a trade setup. Scroll down here. This will give you the actual setup for Ethereum. Let me go over Bitcoin because I want to keep it private for our members, but let's dive in over here. Guys, if you like anything in this video, it means the world to me if you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel, if you guys like the data. Literally every video that we do goes over this data. So if you want to like pop in and check the channel, if you're in, let's say Cardano or Bitcoin or something, and you want to see all the data of what it looks like for what's going to happen that week, I'm not biased on this channel. We literally just read out the data that we have over here, and a lot of times it's very, very accurate. We haven't lost a trade yet. So between the risk management I'm about to show you in the data, it's a good source to have in your trading journey. We'll say that. Okay, guys, look at this. Here's what you guys can do for Bitcoin, but you can adopt it to Ethereum. Choose the amount that you guys want to enter each of our trades with. Let's say you have $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so $250. Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. 250, 250, 250, 250. There's all your prices right there, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit in green for 100% exit. So once the first one's hit, set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit in your exchange. In case the market just absolutely explodes and moves up, you want to get some money out of the market, okay? Chances are before it hits your sell limit, I'm going to call an exit in the Telegram channel. Very high chance of that, okay? That's where you guys can come down here and follow me in the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits with our indicators, okay? Those are the trend exhaustion, price response, money flow, trend dashboard. Those are in the description, okay? Once you guys are in the Telegram channel, make sure you have the indicators, and we do have the sale going on for the indicators, so I'll talk about this real quick and we'll end this video. You guys are going to be getting 82% off all of our indicators today. This has been a sale we've got going on, so make sure you guys snag this. At minimum, you want the price response, money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. These 3 are the ones that I use on my charts every day. You will see these on my charts when I call out exits, because we use these to call exits for these coins. When the trend exhaustion is getting higher, while money flow is getting higher, we're looking for drops back down, and that's how we're able to secure our profits. All right, these indicators are very important, especially the trend exhaustion and the price response, money flow are what we use for the scalping masterclass if you guys want to start scalping crypto, and people are doing very, very well. And you guys get 9 indicators instead of just 3 with the bundle pack, and it's basically the exact same price. So here we'll say, you can go ahead and purchase these 3, use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout, you'll get 40% off. Get the bundle pack, you'll actually get 82% off all of them. Okay. That's awesome. Do you guys want to see something? We started doing this new thing, and we thought it was fun for you guys to see this, but recent customer profits. I just want to say something to these guys real quick. Good job, guys. One of our customers, the BTC trade worked well. This is within the last 2 weeks. These are all relevant. So these aren't like old things we're pulling. Like, no, this is in a bear market. I would never pull some old stuff and shove it to the front. That would be lying, actually. All right. The BTC trade worked well. Made 25% profit, though only $100 at the start. Hey, man, that's fine. $100, that's still awesome. Okay, Travis and team, I've only been a member for 1 month and already profited about $1,200 using only 2 indicators. Guys, those indicators, boom and boom. These guys are what we're talking about here, okay? 2 indicators, still about $900 profit. That's awesome. Down here, I've been trading with you since 10/21, and I've earned approximately 20%. Great job, guys. I'm ready for the big leagues. Warmest regards, mate. God bless you all. A month and a half in, playing with the small numbers, but in 1.5 months, up $2,000 before fees with the market crash. With the market crash, guys, the people are still making money. We have indicators. I know I'm not turning this into a sales video, but seriously, this is a sales video. You guys can make money with our products, and that's why I'm showing this to you, okay? Last but not least, guys, down here said, I've made $12,000 in this bear market, $12,000 this bear market. My friends are down 65% in their accounts, okay? Showing you guys that we've got something kind of special here. We've got the highest win rate on all of YouTube we can find, and the healthiest account. And we have traded, guys, since March of last year. We've been through the ups and the downs. A lot of accounts right now are sitting down 50 to 60%. We know this because we talk to traders who are coming over to us and they're starting to trade with us, and they're telling us what their accounts are down. They're like, all right, forget this. I can't do this anymore. I want my accounts and my money to be secure. So we tell them, all right, we understand that. Snag a membership, get in the Telegram, email us if you have any questions. We're here for you, and let's get you healthy. Let's get you winning crypto trades, and we're about to win the AVAX trade to put us at 111 wins, and you guys can all take the next AVAX trade when we exit that. I will literally come down here, just as I did here, and I will call this out again. I'll say, AVAX trade is officially closed. This will probably happen this week. Great job, everybody, on this trade. I'm entering it back into AVAX with the buy limits on the page, and here's the link. Everybody clicks that, goes over to the website. You guys will then get access to all the buy limits because you're a member. I will enter those exact buy limits with you once AVAX is done, and you guys can come out here and take the next trade because that will be 111 for 111 wins. Okay, guys? Just rinse and repeat and copy me. That's all you need to do. I'm not a financial advisor, but guys, I'm looking forward to a good week of trading here. Let's see what happens. The membership is in the description. Join our family. The bundle pack is in the description as well, 82% off. I will see you guys in the next videos. Click those links, get everything you need. God bless you guys, and I'll see you later. Email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com if you guys have any questions. Bye, guys.